Hi all, my name's Eric Landis. I am with the Imagine team for Grand Design, and today I want to highlight a new floor plan called the 24 MPR. And part of this floor plan is a new sleeping mechanism called the S3 that we partner up with one of our vendors. It has three different distinct positions. One pictured here is in the stow position. It also makes into a double over double as well into a queen bed. Let's get into it and I'll show you how it installs. As you can tell, we converted from the stow position to the double over double. Now I'll illustrate from the double over double bunk system into the queen bed. Now that we have it in the queen configuration, I'm going to show you how to put it back into the stow position.